If your iPhone 7 won't turn on and you're stuck on a black screen, don't panic. Most tutorials you see online are 8 or 9 years old, but this is the latest and the most accurate fix that still works in 2026. Hey everyone, this is Abdul, welcome back. Before we start, just know this. A black screen doesn't always mean your iPhone is dead. In most cases, it is either frozen, fully drained, or stuck because of a software issue. We'll go step by step. Even if you think your phone is completely off, do this first. Press and hold the power button. At the same time, press and hold the volume down. Keep holding both buttons together. Keep holding for 15 to 25 seconds. If the phone was frozen, the Apple logo will appear. Once you see the Apple logo, release both buttons and let the phone boot. If it turns on, you're done. If nothing happened, the battery may be completely drained. Plug your iPhone into a wall charger, not a computer. Use an original Apple cable or a good quality cable. Leave it charging for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Even if the screen stays black, don't unplug it early. After 30 minutes, try the forced restart method I showed you earlier. Many iPhone 7s only respond after they get some charge. If your iPhone still won't turn on, this is the next step. This fixes corrupted iOS without deleting your data. Connect your iPhone to a computer. Open Finder if you have Mac, or iTunes if you have a Windows PC. If you don't have iTunes already installed, please download it from the link in my video description. Now put the iPhone 7 into recovery mode. Press and hold the power plus volume down together. Keep holding even after the Apple logo appears. Release only when you see the recovery mode screen. This is the screen with iTunes logo. Once your computer detects the iPhone, you will see two options: update and restore. First, choose update. This reinstalls iOS without deleting your data. Let it finish completely. If the iPhone turns on, you're done. If the update fails or your iPhone still shows a black screen, then use restore. It's important to know that restore erases everything, but if you have an iCloud or computer backup, you can recover your data. In most cases, restore fixes the issue when the update doesn't. So on the same screen, choose restore and let it complete. After it finishes, sign into iCloud to bring your data back. That's it. Those are the only fixes you should try for an iPhone 7 black screen. If one of these steps worked, drop a comment and let others know which fix solved it. And if your iPhone still won't turn on, comment exactly what it does and I'll help you figure out the next steps. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.